Kevin from J5 FireLids bringing you our very first session from business inside the bus. We'll be doing installations for all of our Phenix Fire Helmet products to include first dues, TCs, and the TLs. As far as maintenance and decon for all of our products, we recommend that you hand wash, cold water, rinse out like a sponge, lay flat to dry, and you guys will be back to go in service. For your installation, you're going to need your J5 FireLid and your lace. Okay, we're going to start with the product being sized up. Everything is going to go in line with the 4 buttonholes and your helmet suspension. You're going to start from the outside to in, and you're going to pull it through. You're going to grab your lace and you're going to start your lacing process. Lace comes through, that's the first one. Lace comes through on the second one. Pull it through, so it should look just like that with the lace being completely behind it. Okay, for the last two, I do something a little bit different. Come from the back to the front through your J5, and you're going to pull it through your helmet suspension. You're going to pull it through here, back through your J5, and just pull tension, and it'll pull that suspension portion through on the third part of your helmet suspension. Fourth and final one, same thing as we did with 3. Back to front, back through your suspension on your Phenix, back through your J5, pull tension, and finish this with a square knot or an overhand. Finish it with a square knot here. Make sure it's nice and tight. Installation, you'll know, is perfect because you don't see a lace. You have a finished installation of your J5 FireLid inside of Phenix. All of our products are available on j5firelids.com and on social media, Instagram at J5 FireLids.